Miami-Dade County has added some noteworthy consumer protections to the Property Access Clean Energy Program, or PACE. Well, the program has generated a slew of consumer complaints, and it has more clients in Miami-Dade County than any other county in the state. And this is what we're going to talk about today. Sharon, your favorite Miami real estate agent here. So first of all, let me tell you a little about the PACE program for those of you who don't know what this is. So with PACE, you can transform your home with upgrades like solar panels and energy efficient air conditioning, for example. How does this work? PACE uses your home as collateral, securing the debt with a lien on the property, and collects interest and fees through your annual property taxes. While the end result might sound like a regular bank loan, PACE operates with fewer regulations in Florida. It has undoubtedly helped countless homeowners enhance their properties, but it's not all sunshine and roses, for example. Some folks have voiced concerns about shoddy contractors and confusing payment terms. Now, what we need to understand is that this program was originally pitched as a solution for green improvements. However, it is being heavily used to replace roof or install impact windows. Now, the program generated countless complaints across the state and became the target of lawsuits and federal scrutiny because homeowners were using it to avoid traditional bank loans. Back in February, the Miami Herald published a report in which it dug deep into White Green, and their findings were concerning. It turns out the company hit a rough patch and temporarily bailed out of the state, leaving thousands of homeowners and contractors high and dry with no funds for their projects. What's more, Florida was trailing behind all the other states when it came to safeguarding consumers in this program. After that report was published, it looks like the Commissioner Kevin Cabrera is taking action based on reports from the Herald. He's introduced a number of bills aimed at improving consumer protections. These bills cover everything from making sure you get clear paperwork stating your potential cost to one that could potentially kick White Green out of unincorporated Miami-Dade entirely. Now, the bill passed 3-2 in a committee hearing held in September, setting the stage for a full commission vote in early October. If it gets the green light, it could put an end to the organization that oversees all of White Green's PACE agreements in Florida, known as the Green Corridor. Cabrera believes White Green's pause on funding for Florida projects, followed by a resumption of contracts and payments, deserve some serious consequences. He's calling the current situation government-sanctioned exploitation. He told the committee, "We're not going to stand by and, to quote the Miami Herald, let you screw our residents." This sends a clear message. PACE providers now have to complete a thorough disclosure document. This document spells out everything for homeowners, such as the total amount they will owe throughout the agreement's lifespan, the interest rate, the yearly cost that will be tagged onto their property taxes, and a cautionary note that neglecting property tax payments could lead to losing their home. It's worth noting that these new disclosures don't apply to home improvement projects exceeding $250,000 in cost. So whether we're talking about commercial properties or multifamily residential projects, it cannot exceed that number. Well, former South Miami Mayor Phil Stoddard, who is currently the head of the Green Corridor, spoke against the bill and argued that White Green fixed its funding issue. He said because White Green is the leading PACE program, it encountered all the problems first, but it also solved them first. If you end your agreement with White Green, you are left with residential PACE programs that don't have direct consumer oversight. Now, there are 4 PACE programs that operate in Miami-Dade. Representative of 3 programs showed up to support the bill, and White Green didn't appear at the commission. Now, the commission also revealed that he's working on a 3rd bill that will ensure that future companies won't be allowed to withdraw from business without giving a warning to their consumers. So what do you think about all of this? Do you support this bill, or are you a homeowner with a PACE program on their house, or using White Green? Tell me, are you using the PACE program? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out my latest video right here, in which I have given recent updates on the Miami real estate market and what is going on in our local market. So click here to watch it, and I'll see you there.